how to request age change on Apple account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on your name on top of your screen. Here, you will see the option for personal information. Tap on it and then tap on the birthday option you see there. Here, go ahead and navigate to date of birth and tap on it and see if you are able to change a birth date, and then go ahead and enter the correct birth date and then follow the on-screen instruction to send an approval request if prompted. And just in case if the account belongs to a child in a family sharing group, the family organizer must approve the request. Once done, tap on the Done option on the top right in order to save the changes that you just made. See if that helps, and if not, then you might need to open your preferred browser and in the search bar, go ahead and search for your Apple account. So to do that, go ahead and firstly search for apple.com and then sign yourself in with your Apple account. Once signed in, go ahead and select your personal information option you see there. Once signed in, tap on the bag icon on top of your screen and then tap on the account option you see there. Here you will see a bunch of options as well as the personal information option. So go ahead and select the personal information option you see there and then tap on your birthday option and update the birthday and date according to your preference, and if required, submit the request for approval. So this was about how you can change your birth date on Apple account under 13. And just in case if you still cannot change the birthday, then it simply could be that the birthday was entered incorrectly or the account is not in a family sharing group when one is required. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.